Hello everyone. We got this drawing up with said Scrooge baking. So what should he bake?
So, today, we have decided that Scrooge will be baking a triple layer velvet cake. And we'll do it by that
Cooking the grid.
that one weird boy that always asks for a paycheck for that little Timmy that has crutches and all that stuff. And little Timmy will try it, and it will be poisoned. What do you
That's
guys
straw. Okay.
Would you like a slice? Okay, let's see how this goes, everybody. This could be great, or this could be a disaster made from hell.
Scrooge baking a cake. Okay, let's draw him. But first, I need to get Scrooge. How am I supposed to draw Scrooge? DJ Axolotl.
Maybe you could start with this big bulbous nose and copy off of that movie, Scrooge, or Christmas
Okay,
Chronicle, yeah, whatever that was called. And you could just copy off of
like
that.
this.
Yes, it is truly beautiful. Yes. Feels a lot more like Guru than Scrooge, but...
There.
Oh, God, no. Nope. I ain't helping you.
Oh,
You're on your own.
but I deleted it. Hey, DJ Axolotl, I need your help.
I heard.
I deleted
Is it mentally or physically?
it. Mentally.
Okay. So we all know that Scrooge is a lizard man.
What?
And so...
What the?
I think he looks good. And now we need to make that triple layer cake.
Guys, a duck! I can't believe I saw a duck, everyone.
Live, he didn't see a duck.
Yeah, it didn't.
Okay, so we got our beautiful cake.
Top of a poison apple.
And we're gonna have a poison apple slice on the top. And this guy's gonna convince little Timmy to eat some. This is little Timmy.
What is little Timmy?
He has crutches.
You're making me sad now. I'm the host of the show.
And he's ready to eat. So he inhales the cake piece. Num num num.
Oh, nummy. What?
There he lies dead. And then they put coins on his eyes and Scrooge steals the coins. Like he did in the movie. Thanks for watching, everybody. This has been great.
Bye.